Freilich Purim, everyone. I'm recording this actually 1:13 a.m. in the morning, Purim night, because I know Purim could be busy tomorrow, so I want to make sure that I get Erev Shabbos' Mishna Yomis in for people that want to learn it. Purim is a big day of Torah. Kimu v'kiblu, kimu ma'asher kiblu kvar. We accepted the Torah with love. Today to be mispala Hashem, that we should have the cheshik for Torah. We should have all the brachas of Torah. So we are learning the fourth and the fifth Mishnayos in the first parak of Idiyos. These are very, very fundamental Mishnayos. Thought about the structure of Mishnayos throughout Shas. It's really very interesting, as we're sponsored once again benevolently by the Fisher family, the Nishma Spasi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We're also sponsored the Nishma David ben Chaim, Refu Shalema for Yomis ben Chayesar, Yaakov ben Bas Yaleah, for the Schus of Avram Yom Benish ben Malki Hudis and family. We learn by Yol Klugman and family for their Panasa Gezunt and Nachas, Shalom for the whole Mishpacha, and the Refu Shalema for Moshe Meir ben Esther Fradel, Rivka Bas Shiraleah, Dvar Bas Shashabina, and Meir ben Chayesar, that the neshama should have an aliyah. So the Mishnah tells us in Mishnah Daled, I don't understand. We said that two weavers came and they gave testimony that from the Gedolei Adar of yesteryear, Shmai Vavtalion, and the Chachamim agreed with them. And therefore the question is, why does it say the opinions of Hillel and Shammai if everybody agreed that it's like the two weavers testified, not like them? Why do we have to mention, you remember they learned this by heart, it was Torah Sheval Peh. Why do we have to mention the opinion of Shammai and Hillel for naught? It's not for naught. To teach generations that great men like Shammai and Hillel had the humility to back down. That a person shouldn't insist that it's his way. These great fathers of the world, these great pillars of greatness, they didn't insist they were right. They heard that testimony from their predecessors, Shmai Vavtalion, and they back down. Now Mishnah asks another fundamental question. If we have an opinion of the majority and a minority opinion, we could cut down Shas significantly by leaving out the minority opinions. Achrei Rabbim lahatais. V'lama maskirin divrei hayochid bein hamerubim. Why do we have to mention the minority opinion amongst the majority? We go after the majority. So cut down Shas significantly by leaving out the minority opinions. If a later Bezdin sees the minority opinion and now they decide to overwhelmingly vote like the minority opinion, then we would go like the minority of opinion. If they didn't see it, they wouldn't know to have a choice. Now, you should know that you can't overrule a Bezdin. She'ein Bezdin yochel levatel divrei Bezdin chaveiroi. One Bezdin cannot cancel out the decision of its associate Bezdin, ad she'yegadol mimenu, unless they're greater b'chachma, in wisdom, and b'minyan, in number. One is not enough. If they were greater in wisdom but not in number, or in number and not in wisdom, they cannot supersede the words of the previous Bezdin. They have to be greater in wisdom and also in number. Oh, yeah, I wish everybody such a delightful Purim, a joyous, safe Purim, a Purim that our tefillah should be answered. So let's take the time. Hashem, please help us all be gesund and know that we're healthy. Help us all have sweet shalom bayis. Help us all have parnasa berevach v'chavod, nachas from children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. We should see safety in Eretz Yisrael, the return of the hostages, safety of our troops. We should see that the yeshiva bachrim should not be harassed by the government. They should be able to learn, which is the security of the country. When are our feet strong? At the front, B'Sharayich Yerushalayim, when there is learning in the gates of Yerushalayim, it's a Ferish Gemara Makis. And may Hashem yimalik kol mishalei seinu l'teiva. Thank you for joining. Motzei Shabbos, Motzei Shushan Purim, we have Daf Yomi at 10 with the change of the clock. 2 black. Go to zoomdaf.com and then RMMW is the code, all in caps. And we're starting soon a whole parak of Agadatan, Masechtas Chelik, something to really look forward to, something to get people to start learning Daf Yomi. With that parak, it's the biggest parak of Agadata in all of Shas. And happy Purim, everybody.